Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm a co-play Frontier from the Genesis Group. Just want to give you guys a quick market update. So yeah, you remember last week I told you guys that I expect Bitcoin to make a move up, right? And that 53,000 is just not happening. And look what happened. It is what it is, right? We're at 66,000. Why? Because I was looking at the weekly. And I'm expecting this cross up on the stochastics RSI, and yeah, I'm expecting cross up. Now here's the thing though, when I look at the previous all-time high at 73,777, and I'm thinking this next all-time high is not really gonna be like, I don't even think it's gonna reach 100,000. I don't even think it's gonna reach 90,000. And so that being said, yeah, we're going to have a pump up. And I talked about how this just looks like a bull flag. And really right now, it's just at the going to the top of the bull flag. But, when it breaks up, yeah, it can hit a new all-time high. But I think it could be one of those fake moves, so like, yeah, it could make a new all-time high, but it's like a fake out type of move. And so how long it'll take, I don't know, and how high it'll go, I don't know. But because really you look at the time, it should be the end of this year or early 2025 that it'll peak out. And so yeah, that's just what I think. Anyway, I'm all the way in the markets. I said it in the last video. And at this point, I don't even really care too much to like swing trade any of this stuff right now. I just don't. But that's what I see. If I look at KOK, because KOK is getting treated like a shit coin. But here's the thing. I said that it could, this could be the bottom that, and when it's like, 20th of a cent, Bitcoin is going down. But here's the thing, if Bitcoin does what I'm expecting it to do, continue to move up, all the other altcoins, I mean, because yes, I like EOS. I think all of you already know this. I like VET. I like ETC, and glad I got some. I like Dash. Okay. What I expect is, yeah, Bitcoin makes a move first. Okay, which it is. And it's going to make the move first, keep going up, and it continues this trend. What I expect for KOK is then the move is going to move to these the bigger altcoins. The bigger altcoins like Ethereum, okay? Like, yeah, Dash and BNB and like that. DOT, all right, Solana. Some of these older coins like EOS, VET, ETC, and then, but Bitcoin continues to go up. It's gonna hit these smaller coins like KOK. And if this is the bottom, KOK is gonna have a huge, just a huge push, like a push from here to just like that, that is very possible. Okay, and or this type of push is what I'm talking about. All right, this type of push. And so really we don't control the price of KOK. The whales do. And if they hold the, if KOK just keeps working the way it's working right now, stabilizes at this price, move up slowly, and then when the money floods into the other altcoins and into the smaller altcoins, hopefully by then KOK will be like a fourth or fifth or sixth of a cent or whatever, and they could just boom fly up. Am I saying this will happen? No, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling y'all what to do, okay? But I do tell y'all what I think will happen or what I'm doing. And so yeah, I'm already all into the market now, and yeah, things do look good. Things do look good. That doesn't mean KOK cannot make a new all-time low. It doesn't mean that, okay? KOK can still hit an all-time low, but you know, if Bitcoin maneuvers the way I think it can, man, we're good. And maybe that's it. KOK hit us, you know, made us low. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, Bitcoin acting the way it's expected, okay? And that's that. Now, and so many times I mentioned gold and silver in the past. Look at silver now, okay? I want you to look at silver like 20 years ago. 20 years ago, silver went up to $50. If you look at all these price ranges, silver broke out of, you know, all the resistance price levels like here. Anyway, silver is at $31. Okay, silver is at $31.50. What do I think will happen? You know, once again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I just, you know, y'all know, like, I'm into silver. I have a lot of physical. Well, not a lot, but I definitely have some physical. And I have some physical of gold. Man, you might see silver this time break that $50 mark. And yeah, might hit triple digits. You might see triple digit silver. How high into triple digits, I don't know. But yeah. And the way I'm holding on to my silver, I don't plan on selling my silver until the ratio. And what ratio am I looking at right now? 1 ounce of gold will get you about 76 ounces of silver. Okay? But for you gold and silver bugs out there who have gold and silver, for me, you know, I'm all about my silver right now. When am I gonna trade my silver for gold? Because I'm not trading it for cash unless I need the cash. So let's look at the all-time ratio. And you can see this is a new trend going up. But there was a time when, you know, like an ounce of gold will, like maybe 4 or 5 ounces, like maybe like 5-6 ounces of silver will get you 1 ounce of gold. Then here, 10 ounces of silver will get you 1 ounce of gold. And here, you know, I can't get it just right, but maybe there was a time when 30 ounces of silver will get you 1 ounce of gold. Okay, but you can see this trend is breaking. This, you have a trend like this, like, you know, here you have this, here you have this, here. So for me, to be honest, when I look at this, for me, I don't really want to trade any silver for gold till it says like 30, like maybe around when 40 ounces of silver or 35 ounces of silver or something like that, like 35 ounces of silver gets me 1 ounce of gold. I'm gonna trade my first, you know, 30 some ounces of silver for gold. And if it just keeps going lower, then yeah, you know, maybe when it gets down to 20 again. And you know, that's what I'm doing. That's my strategy for precious metals. Okay, in the last 50 years, in 1999 or something, you know, this shows you more accurately. I can't get it, but imagine 10 ounces of silver back in 1990s, or I don't know when, 1980 something. So 1983 maybe, who knows, 1980 something. 10 ounces of silver would get you 1 ounce of gold. That's pretty wild. And here, you know, whatever, let's say, because I can't get it right on, okay, 30 ounces of silver would have got you 1 ounce of gold in April 2011. Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for like 35 ounces of silver to get me 1 ounce of gold, and I'm going to trade. And, you know, it goes up and down, you know. But do I think that is coming? Yeah, I think it's coming. You know, maybe in the next year or two, maybe 3, I don't know. But yeah, when I can trade my silver for some gold, sure. And if the currencies all around the world gets trashed and devalued, then I'm going to pay off my debt with my gold and silver. And I got my house for a ridiculously great price because I held on to my gold and silver. Now, am I telling you to do the same? You do what you want. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just, you know, telling you what I'm doing, and I give y'all reasons, or I tell you what I think will happen. I give y'all reasons why, and that's that. All right. So, yeah, it's looking good. Bitcoin looking good, but this move up could be a fake me out move. Okay, it could be a fake me out move. But that fake me out move really needs to help KOK, because if it's a fake me out move and KOK doesn't make the move that we need it to make, guess what? It's gonna hit even new all-time lows later in the next whatever handful of months, and so we'll see how that plays out. And so that's that. All right, everyone. Praying for all of you in Jesus Christ's name. Please be spiritually healthy, mentally healthy, physically healthy, you know, emotionally healthy too, definitely. You want to surround yourself with the right people. You want to, you know, work hard. Once again, the economy continues to get worse. I've been saying this, and it will. And, you know, I don't want to sound like I'm picking some political side, but I knew this would have happened under Biden, because I've been the only one saying that the economy will continue to get worse. And so it will. It's just my opinion, you know, and I haven't been wrong. So that's why you want to work hard, keep your job, you know, just make the right moves. Pray about it, all right? God bless all of y'all in Jesus Christ's name. KOK on.